Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to insert multiple rows in Google Sheet. So let's start the video. First, start by opening your Google Sheet where you want to insert multiple rows. Now click on the row number below which you want to insert new rows. For example, I wanted to insert 10 rows. Now I will highlight these 10 rows. Then we have to go to the Insert menu and click on Rows. Now choose either rows above or rows below, depending on where you want the new rows to appear. Click on it. That's it. You have learned how to insert multiple rows in Google Sheet. Thanks for watching our videos. If you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.